I'm playing Square Bird. I downloaded it from this app store because I just saw it and it looked really cool. Can I just let you What? These are adorable. I should be dumb level 5. Where's my levels? I don't see my levels. Wait. Let's just start. This game is also rage-inducing. If you download this game, you'll rage a lot. When I started, I kept dying, and when you're to the finish, your squares are gone. Choose 3 eggs. I'm gonna choose purple, blue, pink. Okay. This is such a cool color. No! See what I mean when it's rage-inducing? Oh my god, in the same spot? I am so mad. Finally! My god! No! 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 I shoot. And I shoot. And I hoop. Yeah! Copyright. JK, not copyright. I hate leaving you guys because it's the worst day of my life. I'm sorry that I didn't post in a long time because I felt lazy and I didn't want to do anything. That scared me. For life. For centuries. I thought I was gonna die for a second. No! I thought I was gonna make it. Why did I think I was gonna make it? Why did I think that I was gonna make it if I didn't? What the heck? I first start and then I die in front of me. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Finally! My goodness! Purple. I hate you. Blue. I hate you. Yellow. I hate you! JK copyright! I got this stupid thing again. is just me being silly, and I hate when I die. Right when I said it! I hate when I die, because it's so annoying. And this game is annoying! And I hate how this stupid chicken is going to die! I hate the chicken. Ooh. But I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna make a next video about this square bird. So I'm not gonna delete it, I promise you. So I'll see you in part 2. Bye!